this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. We are here on SheModern Saturday in collaboration with SheModern Old to New. It is a collaboration of ladies on Instagram that come together once a month to do a manicure. So we're combining the two, my SheModern Saturday and the collaboration together this month. Our theme is Christmas. So you can use any SheModern products, but you have to use SheModern products, old to new. So what I did is I took some of the water decals from way back when they very first started out 5 years ago. I've got the present here with the bow. I have got the silver hollow wreath and the silver hollow snowman. I had a brain fart there for a minute. I got my bling. The white snow here is opaque white watercoloring. Love it, love it, love it. But for the other two nails, we're going to stamp. We're going to put the thing that I like to call snow meter, which is actually a birdhouse, I think. It is for this plate here. This particular product item there. This is plate YZWM13. So we're taking that birdhouse there, snow meter, whatever you want to call it, for the pinky finger. For the index, we are taking the elf and the holly. This is SPH003. These both came off of, I believe, Amazon. I know this did. So I'm going to start with the elf because I know what color I'm doing him in, which is white. Having a brain fart. Here we start already. Starting already. I got my scraper. My SheModern Jelly Reinforced Stamper. Low and slow. Low and slow. Now remember, this is a sticky stamping polish. It gives you a window. You don't have to hurry and rush like you do with, most stamping polishes. You have a little bit of a leeway. So I am going to take my elf. Oh, look how cute he is. Oh, I am not set up at all for stamping. Ah. Hardened Raw. Don't have my remover, my cotton ball. I don't have any of that out. Well, not handy. Alright. So we're going to take, and I can't do the opaque red. I'm going to do the holly here. Then green. I hope this shows up well. This is green opaque sticky stamping polish. Beautiful. Got some excess up here of another image. You don't want the extras. Get your tape, your lint roller, your scraping card. I'm missing a chunk out of my stamper. I swear I'm having ADD moments really bad lately. Really bad. I talked to my therapist about it, but where I go, they don't test you for it. Want your primary too? Well, my primary says they don't test there for it either. So, and I figure at my age, it's kind of annoying. Quite annoying. Okay, my other plate for Z. Clean this plate here for the birdhouse, which is right here on a pole. Could be it's a birdhouse, right? No other way to slice it. Much as I want it to be a snow meter, it's a birdhouse. Now, I want to show you something. I got this. This is for any bottle. I got this off AliExpress years and years ago. You can put this in here any old which way. You can lean it down to get where, you know, when you're at the end of your bottle. Stand it up. It turns, it twists. It's a beautiful thing. Oh, this is stuck. Ooh. So we're going to stamp this one in black. All the way down we go. And low and slow, ladies. Low and slow. Kiki. Low and slow. Beautiful pickup. Kiki likes my low and slow. And what's really funny, I've divulged this information before. I don't know if she caught this, but I have a tattoo, a tramp stamp. I have a double tramp stamp. I have a spider web with a spider, the widow. Below that, as low as you can go, I have where it says low and slow from left to right. And on the right side of it is the little lowrider Mexican guy emblem, because I'm into lowrider cards. So across my top of my butt, it says low and slow. So that is a phrase I would never forget. So when Tina says we gotta stamp, or, you know, scrape our plates low and slow, I'm there, girlfriend. So I'm going to take this out. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Clean your plate. And you're done. Call it a day. Take your articles. Move them out of the way for an easy cleanup. And here we go. Our manicure is complete. I should have done this in a different color instead of black. You really can't see it. I don't think you can hardly see it. So for top coat, we are going to use SheModern's Sheer Satin No Wipe top coat. I love the no wipe because I love a no wipe period. But the sheen, the satin, there's no glare for when you're taking pictures. It's just a beautiful thing. And I need to get me some more of this. We are running low. Running low. Running on empty. Oh God, who sings that song? Running empty, running wild? That's an oldie but a goodie. Yeah, I need more of this. I have to hold out until after Christmas. But I love using the satin top coat. There's no glare for pictures. You can see your images crisp and clean. Now, I'm going to do a little bit of short swiping here because I'm not getting a whole lot out of my bottle. Here we go. Here we go. I'm going to do my long strokes now. There we go. Cap the end of your nails. I don't know. I don't see a whole lot of ladies using gel capping the end of their nails, but if you use lacquer, you cap the end of your nails. What's up with that? What is up with that? I've not seen too many ladies capping using gel. Let's see. Okay. We are back and fresh out of the lamp. I forgot to turn my ring lights on. I got both my ring lights on. So we should be getting some good images here. Clear, bright images. Maybe you can see the black here on the red, maybe, hopefully. In the hollow of the water decals, the present, the bow. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my mani. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.